Hello. This is Group 3, and I'm going to be giving you a short demonstration of our application to show all the requirements that were given to us. So as the application loads, you're on the dashboard, which is the sitemap for the application, and I'm going to go through adding the data. So first, I'm going to add staff. Staff, first piece of information is essentially just a personal information for a person. Our relations are designed in such a way that we have very normalized data. This allows us to mix and match different pieces of information and kind of inherit information based on the sub relations. So in this case, we have a staff member that is also a person, which once they're added, you can see the home page or the list view for the staff. You're able to go back in and also update the staff information, or if you wish to delete it. So the user is gone. Next, I'm going to walk you through adding shifts. So you're able to add a shift 1, 2, or 3. Select the date for the shift and submit. At which point you're able to assign individual staff members to a shift. So you can assign a nurse, you can remove a nurse, you could also able to search for all of the information to match. The data is automatically saved. Once the user clicks, it runs the queries to display the currently assigned staff and then make a query based on the search parameter for all of the unassigned staff to the current shift. Next, we're going to add a patient. So a new patient. Once again, this is just a person relation that is, in this case, going to be of type patient. So the information for staff and person and shareholders, all the same. They use the same relation of a person that holds particular information for the person. And then this additional field is all of the fields specific to the type of person they are. In this case, they're a patient, so they have a blood type, they have a date of admission, cholesterol levels, blood sugar, and you're also able to select primary physician. In this case, I only have one staff member of type physician. So once you submit, you're able to add conditions. So as you can add arbitrarily any number of conditions you wish. There are different types: allergy, illness, or disease. And you're able to add any of them. Same way, you're able to delete a patient. So if we go to the patient list, we can pick a patient and we can remove them. Next thing we're going to show is inpatient management. So when we click in patient management, we are presented with a list. We select the patient from the list we wish to set up, and we're able to set them up, assign various types of nurses, physicians, as well as facilities, in this case, rooms with beds. So in this case, the person gets a twin bed in room 23 for a recovery room. Next, I'm going to show you facilities, which in this case is just rooms and beds. So to add a facility, you add a room number, a description, the type of a room, put that as a surgery room, submit, you're able to add a number of beds, size of the bed, and automatically data is going to be entered and assigned to this room. Next, what I want to show is appointments. So once we have all the base relations for the staff, the patient, the shift, we're able to do an appointment. So to create an appointment, once again, you select the patient. So for this patient, we're going to create an appointment. You pick the type of an appointment, either surgery or a normal appointment. You pick the date, and you pick the time and the description. Once you hit save, you're able to assign different staff members to this appointment: nurses, physicians, surgeons, as well as rooms that are going to be assigned for this patient. In every case, you're able to search to narrow down the results. In this case, we don't have that many, so if I remove them, I'm able to issue a search query for 2234. Oh. In this case, it seems, yeah, so 234 will match any patients that has 22 in the name, first name. You're able to add them, as well as any others. And the final thing I'm going to show is reports, surgeries. So this is appointments by room. So once you click on a room, you can see all the appointments per day and per day and per room for whatever room you click on. So this room doesn't have any appointments. This one has 2. Next one is by doctor. So you can view all the appointments by doctor. And the last thing is by patient. So you can see all the upcoming appointments for a particular patient. I hope that you enjoyed our presentation. We worked very hard on this project, and we hope it fulfills all the requirements. We also enjoyed quite a bit. So thank you for the opportunity. I hope you have a good day.